Hey everybody, what's up? We are at Southern Ridge ATV Park in Brantley, Alabama. It is a beautiful day, which is more than I can say for the West Coast friends we have and the North. So sorry about that cold, but it is about, I don't know, 75 right now. It's supposed to get up to 80. It's cool. So we are out here for the first time at this ATV park. We are about to take them out and we are gonna go see what we can do with these brand new GoPros. And hopefully, by the way, I'm not sponsored by Monster, but I could be. So Monster, if you're watching this, just letting you know I love these. So yeah, enjoy. Some of the trails here at Southern Ridge, and let me just say the trails are incredibly well maintained. The only downfall to being here in February is the fact that they are also very dry. So if you're riding with a couple people, you probably are going to want to wear like some sort of face protection, or you're going to want to keep your distance. My lenses are visibly dusty. So we did come across on our way to the river, we did find a nice field where you can see Mark there in the background just going ham, which I'm going to in a little bit. But first things first, we're gonna get some shots of him doing his thing, and we're gonna get going. So if he gets stuck, I'm gonna laugh. And unfortunately, just with how deep it kind of looks and how I don't have really good tires quite yet, we're gonna go ahead and skip it. But I wanted to show you guys. It's definitely been sitting for a little bit, but we definitely don't want to risk it, because I could probably get him out, but then if I get stuck and he gets stuck, then we're pretty much screwed. So, and the lady at the front, what did she told us? She's like, yeah, the swamp's a mess, so you should probably not go there.
She's taking off. There's gonna be no staff.
Right. She's off at 1. So, yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and skip it. But this is the swamp area, and it's very cool looking. And I can imagine it would be absolutely a blast if we had both of us have proper party. He has proper party. signs that say river, you're going to end up at, well, the river. And this is actually kind of a really cool, let me see if I can get that, really cool spot. It's very sandy, it's very open. It'd be a great spot to come down and have lunch or do something. And Mark is currently en route. I had to sneeze. Mark is currently en route to what we think is a rope swing. And I'm kind of, yeah, I mean, I wouldn't trust it. What?
Not right now.
Oh, come on.
Fine. Everything's fine. Shut up.
So anyway, great spot. Would be awesome to like bring a blanket out here, bring your lunch, enjoy the beautiful scenery, and if it's really hot, cool off. After lunch, it's about 12:30, 1 o'clock, and we have made a quick pit stop for lunch. Definitely recommend bringing a little chair, maybe a little table to set your stuff on.
Who the hell gonna bring a table?
We brought tables. I mean, they're attached to the chairs, but we brought tables.
Fuck.
So this concludes our day here at Southern Ridge ATV Park in Brantley, Alabama. Absolutely 100% would recommend, honestly, especially if you're kind of a beginner like we are. The trails are really, really well maintained. And honestly, that wash rack is amazing. Like, I actually got kind of scared because my hose was just getting out of control. So when you pull in, just FYI, the GPS is going to take you to an entrance that doesn't exist. So there's a sign across the street, go in that area. So you'll come in back here, and then this is the main building where you need to check in. And I think it's a really great place to come, and we will definitely be back here as well. So have a fantastic day, and we'll see you on the next mud trail.